Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy New Year's Eve.
Oh, wow.
We're not awake yet.
I thought you were going to say happy. What's today? Wednesday. I was prepared for that.
Oh, and I am here with my friend and collaborator, Lenny Pinna.
Oh, yeah. Hey, good morning, everyone.
Oh my gosh. So it's snowing. Not terrible. The roads are okay. I think Lenny's going to try and meet a friend for lunch.
And that's why I'm getting ready.
He's getting ready. He's getting
I'm getting my neck warm now because, just to think about going out there.
And I have to go to the grocery store and buy some snacks for tonight. So we're kind of doing a twofer. My children are going to, my other children that are her friends are going to be in the living room having a party. We're going to be in here doing a live, so it's going to be a wild and crazy evening. I think they're going to get back later, but our goal is to do a live about 8 o'clock tonight. I think that's the goal. We're not staying up till midnight to do a live. No. We're not that young.
No.
We're gonna do. You know how they do those little kids' New Year's Eve parties that are early?
Yeah, but everybody else is probably going to be doing something at midnight anyway.
I know.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Or sleeping.
Yes, or sleeping. So that's the plan for today. I actually got pretty good sleep last night, believe it or not. That was actually I'm awake this morning.
I'm getting there, little by little.
So anyway, Bath and Body Works, day Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, day 6 of semi-annual sale. No, day 5. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Well, I don't know.
It did start on a Thursday, didn't it?
No, it started on Friday.
Okay, then it's only 5. Day 5.
Only 5. Anyway, prices have not fallen yet on the bringbacks, which is kind of disappointing. But I have a box. This came in the mail
Another box.
Last night. And it is Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale and a little bit of spring. So Lenny and I are going to unbox this. Look at how you do the box now. This is their new.
Oh, that's nice. Easy.
But the problem is, it's a little bit pinky to This is spring. So we're going to set this back
here. Set that aside. Here, I'll do one of those.
What is this?
Oh, there's something in there.
What is it?
I don't know. You'll know when you open it up.
Okay.
And then there's other loose stuff.
Okay, we'll put the loose stuff up here.
Okay.
Like unboxing
Well, you're not gonna show. Well, we're just gonna.
No, we're just gonna unbox it. We'll show everybody.
We'll show when we show.
Nothing's leaking, so that's good news.
Okay. Are you sure? There's a little.
Is there?
Oh, just a little tough. I think.
It's one of the soaps. It's a soap.
And it's tiny. It wasn't a mouth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll get rid of that.
All right.
Okay.
Box is gone.
So this is all 75% off stuff. So the first thing I got was Bubblegum Pop is back.
Let's start with bubblegum.
Hey, you need woken up. I'm gonna make Lenny smell the bubblegum.
Oh. It's as artificial as bazooka bubblegum. Yeah, that's
it's got a little citrusy note in there.
Yeah, but it has that. I don't.
Okay.
I can't take that.
I got a bubblegum in the lotion. I also got. This is like $2.29.
Oh.
Remember that?
Maleficent.
Maleficent.
I thought you had one.
I did, but I got a second one because it was $2. Hey.
Okay. All right.
Okay. I got these were on sale for $3. These are the mini perfumes. I got. Why isn't the paper coming off nice and neat? Look at this. It's like glued on. This is not user friendly. I don't like the paper. It's like a neatness thing for me. I feel like I like the paper to come off.
Yeah.
It doesn't look pretty. Why is it like goopy? I don't know. This is actually snowflakes and cashmere. That's pretty for like January.
Yes, it is.
Isn't it?
It's very light.
Yeah, it is. It's very light.
Subtle, pretty.
It's like the label is all weird. Okay. I'm in trouble today.
You have this thing too.
Well, these are lip products. So I got Actually, my mother loves the Nourishing Lip Tint, so I got her the Nourishing Lip Tint. The lip care is actually a good idea. It's like in the $2 and $3 range. And then this is a lip glossy that I'm never going to get open. My goodness. Like, I wish there was a different way they could
one of those
seal these.
like a little tag that just
Yes.
like you put on and unwind
Exactly.
things.
I gotta say, these are the most frustrating. And I just cleaned my room, and now I'm gonna have plastic everywhere, which is so annoying. Okay, so I got a little.
Okay, in 2026, we want better packaging.
We do. You know what? People have been asking for that for years. This color isn't too dramatic.
Okay.
And a lip practice. I got that.
Looks good, and you're moisturized.
I have 3 hand soaps. I got the new blue raspberry, if you want to smell that one.
Okay.
I do not. Oh, this is the one that's leaking,
You know what?
I think.
Yeah, that one of
The
these.
lemon is leaking.
Let me see. Oh,
It smells so good, though.
How do I do it? Do
Limoncello.
I have to do that, or how do you get those things open? There we go. I want some of that.
Yeah. Oh, it smells. This one's amazing. Like, this is so good. The blue raspberry.
It's nice.
Really? I love that.
Well,
oh my gosh.
You know, I don't be with food on.
Blue raspberry, tart citrus, and sugar. No wonder I like it.
Yes.
And then we'll try to see what limoncello is like. This one I think you might like a little bit better. There you go.
That's just, yeah.
Yeah.
Just like lemon. That's very limoncello.
Yeah. Orange and ginger.
I like that combination.
I have an orange ginger candle somewhere too. I didn't know where to
I
put it.
really like that. I do my Brussels sprouts in that.
Really?
Or carrots, yeah. With that combination.
Okay.
Orange and ginger. Oh, goodness. Yeah, the orange. I could use more ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. That's good for the kitchen.
I would like a little more ginger. It's good.
I also got a mini vacation vibe. This is the Sol de Janeiro pistachio praline. That smells so good. Yeah. This was, I think, one of our
I would like that
madness
I would like
ones.
that in a pastry.
Yes, exactly. So that was really inexpensive. And then the final thing I got, which Lenny's going to be super excited about, is Blue Raspberry Burst Shower Gel.
And hardly wait.
I know.
So
Once
excited.
again. Hey. Okay. That smells.
Your happy
I'm
place.
so happy.
Okay. It's just.
It's not your thing.
That's not my thing.
I know. Did you see that I put a couple of 3-in-1s downstairs in the bathroom
And
for
thank
you?
you. And yes, I did.
Okay.
I saw Distiller's Gin, which I
Yes.
used. The Amber, which I
I
used.
know.
I thought, I said, this has to be purposeful.
I was purposeful.
Because usually there's like,
girly stuff.
macaroon.
I know. No, it was very. I wanted to make sure.
I was really happy.
Your 3.
Distiller's Gin 3-in-1. It was so
Yes,
good.
I actually
I used
thought
it.
about you.
I used it.
Good. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is a refillable soap. Does that look bigger than it looks big?
Yeah, it's big.
Okay.
But who's
Okay,
care.
hold on. Let me get the soap.
It's a generic. Well, what is it? It's a dispenser.
Yes.
There's
so
nothing
what I'm
inside
gonna
of it yet.
do
I see.
Is I've got my.
Ah.
Okay, open it up.
If I can. Okay, good. I can open
This
it.
is not juice. Don't put it in the refrigerator. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna
And what are you putting in?
soap.
I know, but what kind?
Vanilla Bean Noel, your favorite. Said we can't fill it much past there because we don't want it to overflow. And then I have some soap in a pretty dispenser now.
That is nice.
Isn't that nice? Yeah, and that was on sale for like really cheap. I want to say like $4 or $5. I don't know. I gotta look to see how much those were, but they were.
That's a pretty glass bottle.
I know, and it looks like spring. That's what I really liked about it, and it was on
I have to
clearance.
say, yeah, I think that's actually really nice.
I know. So that was exciting. I got that. What did I just do with my scissors? Lenny, I'm losing it. Where are my scissors?
I don't know.
Okay,
Oh, there they are.
Okay. Oh, before we do what's in the box, we have a couple Christmas cards to do. I'm going to do a couple of these now and a couple of these during the live.
I'm cleaning up.
Okay, you. This is from Nikki, Tyler, Chloe, Holden, Molly. They're cute.
That is.
The Torres family. Thank you. We have another one from Patrick, Roger, and Ricky. Isn't that cute?
Aw, look at them, little family. Yeah.
That's so cute.
Yes.
Thank you, guys. Love that. This is from Cindy. The skis and the skates. And I apologize if I did not get a card out to you. It was not because I don't love you guys. It was because my brain couldn't organize everything. I was having such a mental block, and I have a problem now. This is kind of interesting. I physically can't write like I used to. Like, I know you have beautiful penmanship times 1,000. I have a problem writing. I don't know. It's like a brain block that I've had. It's so weird. I know. Haley does a lot of our...
You've gotten too used to this.
I have. I know, and I can't write anymore. This is from Haley, one of our moderators on our live.
Oh.
Isn't that pretty?
Very pretty. Glad tidings.
So yeah, I just I feel really guilty that I did not send out more cards, but I literally and I feel stupid sending them out after Christmas. This is from Lori. Pretty little card there.
That looks
Thank you, Lori.
That almost looks like that candle with the truck in the tree.
I know. Actually, I'm just gonna do these on here. Oh my gosh. This is from Ashley. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Ashley. Look what Ashley sent me. A McDonald's gift card. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go out and get tea today. I need a tea so bad today. I do. Thank you so much, Ashley. You literally made my day.
Cute. Elf pop-up. I
got 3 more here. I have warm holiday wishes from Jan. I'm reading all these cards, by the way. Thank you so much. It's funny. My mother loves opening these cards. She gets so excited. This is from Matthew in Erie. Matthew's always in our lives. It's so cute, Matthew. Thank you for the wonderful message and the beautiful card.
Oh, that is
cute. Yeah. Oh my gosh. We have one from Linda. Everybody writes. I feel so bad because everybody's writing me these beautiful notes, and I'm just having a block. I have a hard time writing anymore. I think it just has I'm so digitally oriented. I look at all the penmanship you guys have. Why wasn't I don't have penmanship. This is from Aaron. This is beautiful. Thank you, Aaron. I have many talents, but one of them is not penmanship. It just upsets me. I need to gain the skill of penmanship.
Thank you for the Ann Lenny's.
I know. They all say Ann Lenny. All of them.
That's nice. Thank you.
So thank you guys for the beautiful cards. I appreciate them so much. Okay. Now, we have a little bit of spring in a box here.
Spring is in the air.
Spring is in the air. Okay.
Oh.
And when you put the batteries in, all the flowers light up.
I will admit. I will admit that that's a very nice design.
It is
for spring.
I know. It's the idea of those little lights being lit.
It has some little sophistication and classiness to it.
I know.
But it's very evocative of spring.
I love it.
Yeah.
We're going to be able to use that, I think, in some videos.
For sure.
And with the little lights. I like the idea of doing...
Is battery included?
No. I have to find batteries. Batteries are never included. I think I want to do some magical backgrounds for spring. And I think that's going to evoke some really prettiness.
It's interesting. Oh, I know what it is now. It's Lily of the Valley.
Is it? Oh, which is
Yeah,
not
well,
my
for
favorite.
first I was thinking, I mean, not. I was like, it's not iris, but because of the leaf, it's sort of a just a slightly proportionally larger version. I think.
Yeah.
I think it's Lily of the Valley.
I love it. I had to have that. I'm like, that is so pretty. Bath and Body Works, you always do me in because I see stuff and I'm like, oh, that's so pretty. So I'm excited. Yay!
Yay!
So
Spring.
no, I'm yawning. Bubblegum pop, blue raspberry burst, some soap. Got some good stuff.
Are you done with semi-annual sale now?
Yes, I'm totally done. Yeah, I.
No more boxes.
No,
No more Bopus.
No. I might. So tomorrow, I'm not going to the store on New Year's Eve. I'm not doing it. The weather's terrible. I'm not going out today. But tomorrow...
New Year's Day?
Wait, is the mall open tomorrow? I don't even know. Well, you're leaving tomorrow.
Yes, hopefully.
Hopefully. Unless the weather's bad, you may be here till Friday.
Yeah, no, hopefully I am, yeah.
The mall's open. I may head into Bath and Body Works just to see if they have any new spring stuff out. Just take pictures of. And if they have Aries, like somehow they found them.
I thought they were out.
Well, I mean, they can find them.
Oh, okay.
You never know. Box could be hidden under something in the back storeroom, and they bring them. You never know. You never know.
You're eternally hopeful.
I am. Hope springs eternal. Anyway, this is fine. This is a good morning video.
Yes, it was good morning.
Gonna wake you up. I have a funny story. So last night, Lenny has one of those Keurig coffee makers in the basement, and I thankfully remembered to buy coffee because my husband drinks decaf, so I have to get Lenny the real coffee. And he's like, "Oh, do you have a cup?" And I gave him a cup that was like this big, and he's like,
"It's not big enough."
So I had to give Lenny the mega cup.
Well, yeah, I drink more than that little cup.
True coffee drinker.
Yes, I am.
That's okay. So, well, onward to New Year's Eve. I might do a video in between depending on my mood today, but we will be back for our New Year's Eve live tonight at 8.
Okay. Well, have a great day, everyone.
Bye-bye.